So, like I said, we're getting a lot of rain in this area. The one thing, as we all find out when we're doing things or upgrades, is the fact that we have to change things up. So, like I said, I just bought this Smittybilt Scout trailer. I've already started just doing some painting on the side to touch it up, just to protect it. It isn't the world's greatest paint job, I'm not going to say it is, but it should hold up until I get a major paint job on it. I've got to, of course, touch up other areas. But one of the things I found out was the fact that the stock hitch that was on here, standard lever hitch, was going to be an issue. Now, why was that going to be an issue? Well, I can show you. So, when I put this on the Jeep, when I take it off, you can see that is going to be right underneath my tire. As it was when I took it off, I had to put a piece of metal underneath the tire so I didn't jam into the tire, that I could get that off of there. So, first steps were going online and finding a pin hitch. I reviewed the hitch options, and this looked great because it wouldn't have that lever when it peed. You just have the pin here to put in. Should be good to go. The other thing that's the issue is the jack. So the jack has very little throw. What I mean by that is up and down travel. So this isn't on as heavy duty tires as I've seen some, but it is up a bit, and my Jeep is on 35s. When I tried to take this off, I couldn't get enough. When I put it down, I couldn't get enough room to swing the jack away. So what I did is I did order a jack online. I will show you that in the next video. That's going to be my next install. It's by Apex. So look forward to that next install. But as I mentioned, this was the first upgrade on a Jeep. That and just touching up painting the unit.